Hello class, and welcome again to one of my videos. Today we're going to discuss how to create your abstract. And so the first step you're going to do is you're going to go to the abstract submission portion in Canvas. When you open that up, there'll be a abstract template. So you're just going to download that template and open it up. Remember again, um, please only use Microsoft Word on a PC computer. Do not use iPads. Do not use your phone. Do not use Google Docs. Do not use Mac computers. Because if you do that, sometimes the formatting messes up. And if the format messes up, you are going to be graded on the format. And so you will lose points. So to make it easy, just use a PC computer with Microsoft Word on it. You can go to the library. They have PC computers. You can go to the computer labs in the nursing building to do your assignments. And you could also go to the computers in your dorms. All right. Please make sure you do that. All right. So now I have in front of me pulled up the abstract template, and I'm just going to put in words, fill in words where I'm asked to. So in the first part, it says, in this study, the relationship between variable 1 and variable 2 was investigated. Well, variable 1 is going to be whatever variable 1 was through all of your assignments thus far. So for me, and for my examples, my first variable is going to be anger. And variable 2 for me is going to be anxiety. All right. So the abstract further discusses that there is a significant lack of research between variable 1 and variable 2. So I'm going to put in here anger, once again, and anxiety. The study posed two research questions. Does variable 1 significantly predict variable 2 in college students at an HBCU? All right, so I'm going to get rid of that again. And I'm going to put in anger for variable 1 and anxiety for variable 2. And do male and female college students have significantly different levels of variable, whatever that variable is? So for us to be consistent, that variable I chose was going to be anger. All right. The study used a quantitative research methodology and correlational research design. The sample included participants from an HBCU located in the Southeast United States. The data collected consisted of an informed consent document, demographic questionnaire, and 2 survey assessments distributed to the population for completion. A correlation and an independent samples t-test was conducted to answer the 2 research questions. In the first research question, variable 1 was found to be, all right, so let's change this variable. So variable 1 for me is going to be anger. Was found to be significantly or non-significantly related to variable 2. Well, variable 2 is going to be anxiety. And significantly and non-significantly, that's going to be based on what you found when you analyze your data. So did you find that the 2 variables were significantly related, or did you find that the 2 variables were not significantly related? All right, I'm going to put, for purposes of this example, I'm going to put that they were found to be significantly related. All right. And then it goes on to research question 2. So in research question 2, males and females were found to be either significantly or non-significantly different in levels of variable 1. Well, once again, variable 1 for me to be consistent is going to be anger. And let's say for purposes of this assignment that I did find that males and females were significantly different in their levels of anger. So I'm going to get rid of non-significantly and just keep significantly. All right, then it says after that, remove this writing in bold after inserting new information. So let me remove this part. All right. Underneath that, we have keywords. And the keywords are variable 1 and variable 2. So I'm going to put those variables. So variable 1 for me, once again, is anger. Variable 2 is going to be anxiety. And then I'm going to remove this writing in bold after inserting the new information. So I'm going to remove that. So, all right. And so now what I want to do is I want to highlight the entire portion. And I'm going to press bold and then press bold again so that I could remove all of the bold from the abstract. All right. And once I do that, I have a completed abstract. All right. And what you're going to do next is you are going to save this. All right. And then you are going to submit this to Canvas for the abstract part of your assignment. Thank you for your time, and you have a great day.